Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. This is the Wagner Finish Control 3500, or the FC3500 for short. It's a powerful 700 watt brushless motor, 220 watt atomizing power, and a total weight of 2.3 kilos. Available in 240 and 110 volt units, so it's suitable for domestic as well as on-site use. The carry case is large enough to hold the unit and 2 spray attachments standing upright, which can also be transported whilst the reservoirs are full of paint, so material preparation can be done off-site. The Finish Control 3500 is very easy to control and handle, with the complete adjustment to match the materials being sprayed and the surface being sprayed onto. I'm going to be taking you through everything which is included within the carry case. Carry strap, air filters, cleaning brush, feed tube filters, filling funnels, the turbine and the standard spray attachment. XVLP stands for extra volume, low pressure. Up to 0.2 bar, the extra air volume to atomize the material creates the fine finish with very little overspray and less paint wasted. The Wagner click and paint system allows you to change between paint colours and types quickly and easily. The spray orientation for vertical or horizontal allows adjustment for what you are spraying. The airflow is fully adjustable to suit the materials being sprayed. The paint material volume adjuster precisely controls the amount of materials applied to the surface. Standard spray attachment has the Visco nozzle technology, which produces a high quality spray pattern, even with thick materials. This is achieved thanks to the 4.1mm slot nozzle with a flat jet, which also ensures a rapid working speed. The fine spray attachment is the perfect solution for low viscosity materials, suitable for varnishes and other thin paints. The round jet nozzle, which is 1.8mm, provides a very fine spray pattern and comes with a 1000mm stainless steel reservoir. The wall spray attachment is for spraying larger flat surfaces. It is a professional solution for emulsion paints. The Visco 4.1mm slot nozzle is the perfect solution for the fast applications of thick materials. It comes with a 1400mm reservoir. All the spray attachments have a 2-stage trigger. The first stage starts the turbine and builds up the pressure. The second stage is when you press the trigger completely to start the material flow. This ensures the system is fully pressurized before starting to spray, which is important to stop the paint spitting when you initially start. When you use any of the attachments with your finish control, you have the option of how wide you can spray your paint pattern. There's an adjustment on the side, so it allows you to spray the paint around about 50mm wide, all the way up to about 300mm. Once you've finished painting, cleaning is a very important part. So take off the attachment, unscrew the reservoir. If you have any paint left in there, that can go back into the original tin. Remove the suction tube, then you need to start cleaning the components. So take them apart, you've got different sections in here, remove them all and put them under the water. And spray all the clean water through the nozzle to make sure there is no paint left on. Now you've washed and rinsed the unit, double check that there is no paint remaining, then you can put the unit back together. When you're putting the nozzle back onto the front of the unit, make sure the needle is lined up with the actual nozzle itself. Press it light down, make sure it's sealed around here. Then place the air cap on top. It's got 2 sections notched out either side, so it interlocks into position. and then screw it together. Not too tight, just so you can move the nozzles. Suction clips on the top. We can put the suction tube back into position, the filter on the bottom, and screw that onto the reservoir. Now it's all put back together, apply a small amount of grease on the O-ring here, and it's ready to use for next time. This unit is backed up with German engineering. It comes standard with a 3-year guarantee, but could be extended a further 2 years free of charge by registering on Wagner's website, giving you a total of 5 years peace of mind guarantee. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe.